Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Standard 11th subject business mathematics, topic trigonometry. In that subtopic is compound angle. Compound angle below sum of difference formulae of sine, cosine and tangent. I am going to give only the formula, right? There is no derivation. Sine A plus B compound angle, right, equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Repeat, sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Next, A minus B. Here itself I said sum and difference formula, right? Sum and difference. Sum and difference. So sum means A plus B. Difference is represented A minus B. Sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Right? Sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Next, this is sine formulae. These next I am going to write it as cosine. Cos of A plus B. Cosine, in the simplest way we call it as cos. Cos of A plus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Next, cos of A minus B, sum difference, right? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Next, tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B. Tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Sum and difference of formula, sum and difference formulae of sine, cosine and tangent. I said sine, sin A plus B, sin A cos B. See here I am going to say the clue. If here addition, the same symbol should be exist here, right? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. The same formula. When it comes difference, here negative means negative, right? You have to relate and study. Next, cos of A plus B. Here addition comes, the result exists in terms of subtraction. Here subtraction comes, addition, right? Cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Here addition, subtraction, right? Here subtraction means you should put addition. Now you come to tan A plus B. In the numerator addition, denominator subtraction. Here subtraction means numerator subtraction, denominator addition. These are the things you keep it in your mind and read the formulas, right? Now we are going to see in exercise 4.2, find the values of the following. First question is cosecant 15 degree, but I gave the formula only sine, cosine and tangent, right? First you should, how to find the value of cosecant 15? You know the formula as sine. So cosecant can be written in terms of sine. Cosecant can be written in terms of sine. How to write? 1 by sine 15 degree. 1 by sine 15 degree. Sin 15 degree we don't know the value, but we know sin 30, 45, 60, 90, 180, 270 and 360, right? Sin 15, using the formula, how to express, you see, sin 15 can be written as 45 minus 30. Will you agree, children? Sin 15, sin 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30, you will get it as 15 degree. Now I know the formula, sin A minus B, right? What it is? Sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. What formula we are going to use? That you should write it in the right side. Now, which is equal to 1 divided by sin A. A is 45 degree, B is 30. Sin 45 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree sin 30 degree. See here, the 45 is A, 30 is B. Just you replace A in terms of 45, B in terms of 30. That's it, right? Now 1 divided by sin 45 degree, you know the value, right? 1 by root 2 into 30 degree, root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 degree, 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. See here, the denominators are same, so you can add the numerator. How to do that? 1 divided by 1 into root 3. I said denominator is same, so that can be written as 2 root 2 root 3 minus 1. If the denominator is a fraction, you should write it as a reciprocal. So what is your final answer? 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1. 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1. I will teach you the simplest method how to register the values, right? See, you take your left hand or right hand. This finger as, the pinky finger is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, right? This is 90 degree. Repeat, pinky finger is 0 degree. This one, ring finger is 30 degree. Long finger is what? 45 degree. Index finger is 60 degree. Thumb finger is 90 degree. Formula, right? Sin 0 degree. This is my 0 degree, right? Sin 0 degree means sin theta equal to square root of number of fingers divided by 2. What I said? Sin theta equal to, or theta equal to square root of number of fingers divided by 2. I said sin 0 degree, right? 0 degree below, number of fingers below the angle, right? Number of fingers below the angle. This is my 0 degree. Number of fingers below the angle is there anything? No. So sin 0 as 0. Sin 0 degree as 0. Got it, children? Now, this finger, what I said, ring finger is 30 degree. Below 30 degree, how many fingers are there? Only one finger. So square root of 1 sin 30 degree equal to square root of 1 divided by 2. Square root of 1 is nothing but 1. So 1 by 2. Got it? This is 0 degree. This is 30 degree. The formula what I said, square root of number of fingers below the angle. Right? Next, this is my 45 degree. Long finger what I said, 45 degree. Below 45 degree, how many fingers are there? 2 fingers. Right? Below 45, how many fingers are there? 2 fingers. Square root of, so square root of 2 divided by 2, which is equal to square root of 2 divided by 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Cancel, which is equal to 1 by root 2. What I wrote here, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, right? This is my 60 degree. This is my 60 degree. Index finger, what I said, 60 degree. Below 60 degree, how many fingers are there? 3 fingers. So, sin 60 degree equal to square root of number of fingers. So, root 3 divided by 2. Sin 90 degree. This is my thumb finger. Thumb finger is 90 degree. Below thumb finger, how many fingers are there? 4. Square root of 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. Got it, children? Once again I repeat this. This is my 0 degree pinky finger. Ring finger is 30 degree. Long finger is 45 degree. Index finger is 60 degree. Thumb finger is 90 degree. The formula, square root of number of fingers below the angle divided by 2. So, this is my 0 degree, I said. Below pinky finger, any finger is there? No. So, sin 0 is 0. Next, this is my ring finger is what I said, 30 degree. Below 30 degree, how many finger is there? Only 1 finger. So, square root of 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. This is long finger is what angle I said, 45 degree. Below 45 degree, how many fingers are there? 2 fingers. Square root of 2 divided by 2. Then 2 can be expressed as root 2 into root 2. You arrived 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree. 60 degree. My index finger is 60. Below 60, 3 fingers are there. The format is square root of. So, square root of 3 by 2, 60 degree. This is my 90 degree thumb finger. Below 90 degree, 4 fingers. Root 4 is nothing but 2. 2 by 2 equal to 1. It is easy way to register the values of the angle. Once if you know this, the rest of the thing you can write easily. Cos means you should write it as a reverse. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 degree, reverse I said. Cos 30 is equivalent to sin 60. So, root 3 by 2. Sin 45 degree and cos 45 degree are equal. That is 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is equivalent to cos 60. 1 by 2. Sin 0, 0. Cos 90, 0. You write it as a reverse order I said. Right. Now, you see. The values I substituted, sin 45 degree, 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is equivalent to cos 30 is equivalent to sin 60. So, I wrote root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree, 1 by root 2. Sin 30 degree, 1 by 2. Right? Then we arrived the result. 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1. Now, I am going to move to question number 2. See here, sine of minus theta equal to minus sin theta, because it is an odd function, right? Now, 105 degree. We know what I said, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, 180, 270, 360. This only we know the values, right? Here 105, how I am going to write? 105 is nothing but minus sine of 60 plus 45. Am I right, children? 105. You may raise a question, why can't miss 90 plus 15? If I write 90 plus 15, 15 I don't know the value, but 90 I know. So, 60, 45 means both the things I know, right? When you write it in terms of sum or difference, you have to be very careful, right? 60 plus 45. Now you see minus of sin A plus B, the same formula. Here plus means what it should come here. Here also plus. What formula we are using, that you should write it in the right side. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Right? Now, here what is your A? 60 degree. What is your B? 45 degree. Now, sin 60 cos 45 plus cos 60 sin 45. Right, children? Sin 60. Immediately you should take your finger and see square root of root 3 by 2. Right? So, minus root 3 by 2 into cos 45, 1 by root 2. This is my 45 degree. Square root of 2 by 2 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree. I told you sin 30 is equivalent to cos 60 because they are complementary each other. Sin 30, what value I wrote here? 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equivalent to 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Right, the same fingers, it will help you, right? See here, minus, here also the same, the denominators 2 root 2, here also 2 root 2, root 3 into root 3 into 1, root 3 plus 1. You have to use and multiply, or you leave as such, right? The value is what? Minus of root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. You should go home and practice, right? Take your right hand or left hand, practice. If it cos means you should write it in the reverse, right? Cos means what you have to write? Number of fingers. Here I wrote below the angle. Here you have to write above the angle, right? This is my 0 degree. 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Below 0 degree, how many fingers are there? The same square number of fingers above the angle, right? Cos means above the angle you should say, right? This is my 0 degree. Above 0 degree, how many fingers are there? 4 fingers, right? Square root of 4, 2, 2 by 2, 1, cos 0 value is 1, right? Simple. Sin means number of fingers below the angle by 2. Cos means number of fingers above the angle divided by 2, right? Now you people understood. Got it, children? Exercise 4.2, first subdivision, third sum. What are the formulas you know? Sum and difference of the sine, cosine and tangent only. But here the given is cot 75 degree. Cot 75 degree, how come you write it in terms of tan? Right? Cot 75 degree equal to 1 by tan 75 degree. Right? The reciprocal of tan. Cot 75 degree. We don't know the value, but we know the value of tan, sine, cosine. So, the reciprocal of tan is cot, we know. I wrote it as 1 by tan 75 degree. Then 75 degree, how I am going to write, you see, 1 by tan 45 plus 30 or 30 plus 45. That is your choice, right? Tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. What formula we are using in the sum, that you have to write it in the right side, right? Now equal to 1 divided by tan, here A is 45 degree, B is 30 degree. If you want, you write A is 30, B is 45, right? Now, the value does not change. Tan 30 degree plus, tan 45 degree plus tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan 45 degree tan 30 degree. Tan 45 degree, the value is 1. Tan 30 degree, 1 by root 3, right? Now, I told you, if the denominator is a fraction, you should write it as a reciprocal. So, what can you get? 1 minus tan 45 degree tan 30 degree divided by tan 45 plus tan 30. Tan 45 degree, I told you 1. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. What is, say, tan 30 degree 1 by root 3, I said. Tan can be written as sin 30 divided by cos 30, right? What is sin 30? I told you 30 degree square root of 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by sin 60 degree is equivalent to cos 30. 60 degree square root of root 3 divided by 2. So, root 3 divided by 2 cancel. You arrive the result as 1 by root 3, right? Now, I am going to substitute the value. 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3. Now, I am going to take LCM, right? Tan cot for 75 degree equal to 1 by tan 75. I arrived here as 1 minus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3. Then you have to take a reciprocal. Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1, right? Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 by root 3. Cancel, right? Now you are going to do the rationalize the denominator. How to do that? Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Rationalize the denominator, I said. So what you are going to do? Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Right? Now, root 3 minus 1 the whole square divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b, can be written as a square minus b square. That means root 3 into root 3, 3, 1 into 1. So what can I get? Minus 1. Right? Now, this one I am going to expand. Root 3 the a minus b the whole square identity. That means 3 plus 1 a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is 2 into root 3 into 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. In both the things 2 is common, so you can take it out. What can you get at the end? 2 into 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel. So now final result. Therefore, cot 75 degree is equal to 2 minus root 3. Have you all understood, children? Therefore, cot 75 degree equal to 2 minus root 3. Have you all understood, right? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.